ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। माम उपेत्यति कौन्तेय दुःखालयम अशाश्वतम। This life in the material world is filled with miseries and filled with uncertainty. And to top up all that situation of reality, there is something called as unexpected events. Although you know that there are miseries and difficulties in life, but what is worst is unexpected situations. Things happen without your notice. Calamities, challenges, difficulties arrive in your life without any notice, without any information. And then you have to tackle with them one after another. It was not in your plan. It was emergency. So you have to sort it out. And life is filled with such uncertain, unexpected things. And they are mostly not pleasurable. Sometimes they are pleasurable. Oh, suddenly you get a news that your son has scored very good marks in CBSE 12th standard, SSC, HSC 12th standard. That is sometimes only very rarely happens in the material world. But most unexpected, uncertain situations are painful. They are misery oriented. So we have to understand only one thing. The solution for the most uncertain, unexpected situations and not to get affected by that, the solution is to chant Hare Krishna in a very certain way, in a very planned way. For all kinds of miseries and known miseries, unknown miseries, expected miseries, unknown, unexpected miseries, the solution remains one: to remain fixed on the vow of chanting the holy name in the most planned way. So to the most unexpected thing, you have to do the most planned thing. The only thing that you can do is to chant Hare Krishna. You can imagine that when we are fixed on this vow, then you get tremendous strength to bear with the unexpected events, to tackle them very nicely on the basis of sad asad vivek buddhi and knowledge and experience, and still remain cool and go on with your normal routine without getting disturbed. Yes, you may get exhausted while tackling those unexpected events, but you remain strong at the level of your consciousness and mind and determination. Unexpected things can be of so many types. There could be illnesses, there could be financial crisis, there could be fights at domestic level, there could be disasters like fire or so many things. They could be of n number of times. If today something unexpected comes of one type, it doesn't mean tomorrow the same thing will come. You're already used to it. No. Maya will never make you complacent. Maya will love to shock you every time. So you have to also keep shocking Maya every day by taking shelter of the holy name. But that is one thing, Maya gets completely defeated at that level. Rest all levels, she can overwhelm us, she can frustrate us, she can squeeze us. But at the holy name level, the tiger becomes like a cat. The tiger of Maya becomes like a billy, like a cat. So we should be intelligent that there are areas where we are weak and she is strong. And there is one area where we are always strong in front of the strong Maya and defeat her. So do not give shelter. Do not give up the shelter of the holy name. Come what may, whatever happens, let anything happen. Maybe one day you are late because of some exhaustion or some fight that you have given yesterday. Yes, but don't give up. Maybe you are late, maybe you are absent one day, chanting in the daytime, but the battle has to be on. The weapons should not be put down. Yes, when you get injured in the war, you go back to the tent, get bandaged and get medicines. That's not defeat. That is getting rejuvenated to fight again, to go again back in the battlefield. Soldiers get wounded, come back to the tent, get dressed up, and again go back to the battlefield. The dressing up also is meant to go back again in the battlefield. So however much we are attacked by the unexpected miseries planned by Maya, do not get discouraged. You have a weapon stronger than that Maya. You have a weapon which is stronger than the unexpected event. And that unexpected event only, your chanting only will defeat the unexpected event by your intelligent, brave handling with determination. So like when you go out for long distance, you fill up the petrol before you start the journey. Like that, before you start your day and come across the unexpected, miserable events, charge your spiritual batteries with the holy name. Commit yourself, fill up yourself with enough energy, and still the unexpected events will keep coming to bother you. But you will be in a best position, better position to handle them and come out victorious, and again come to the petrol pump to fill up your tank every morning. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much, everybody. Hari Bol.